The Ladakh administration has announced that autonomous hill development councils will be constituted in all 7 districts of the Union Territory. Chief Secretary Ashish Kundra said the decision was aimed at strengthening grassroots governance and ensuring balanced development across Ladakh. He described it as a major step towards democratic decentralization. Ladakh was expanded from 2 districts to 7 in April 2026, with Sham, Nubra, Changthang, Zanskar and Dras notified as new districts. However, elected representation has so far remained limited to the existing councils in Leh and Kargil. Kundra said the Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council Act already provides for a council in every district. He added that only the required amendments to the law and the delimitation of constituencies remain before the new councils can be constituted.